Then. Hi, Dimple. Welcome to our Abundance Hour.
Hello.
Hi. Hey, everyone. Today in Abundance Hour, we have Dimple with us, and she herself is a life and manifestation coach, and she has been practicing for now 14 years. She is a mother. She is a coach. She has been taking care of her family responsibilities, and she has been now going full time into guiding people with manifestation. It has been her. I think natural ability, no divine ability that she had got from youngest age. I think Dimple has shared that even since teenage. Am I right, Dimple? Almost since
Yes.
age of 12, 13, you have, yeah, you have been able to follow, observe, and in fact manifest no, lot of things
Yeah.
as early as age of 16, right? When we are no, so ignorant, innocent, it becomes a little easier to manifest if you can focus on those things. And that is how she has chosen her passion as well. I again welcome you, Dimple, here.
Thank you so much,
So
Prima.
thank you, Dimple here. Dimple, today I want to ask you as a life coach and a manifestation coach, what is your no thoughts on resistance? Because lot of people, when we are coaching and training, even if you're coaching 100 people, at least there is a 20%, right, or 30% who are resistant to growth, right? So we do not
Right.
know what is the underlying thing. Everyone has a different reason, but somehow they are pushing away the growth and success themselves. I would want you to talk about what are your thoughts about this. What does build this resistance, and why this push comes from their end? What causes this resistance?
Actually, Hema, look, when we set a goal, then it comes. Resistance comes. Like the very first thing happens, we thought something new, a new project. What happens?
Hmm.
There is a doubt. First of all, खुद पे डाउट आता है, मैं ये कर पाऊंगी, ये हो जाएगा. That is a resistance. And the other is, लोग आके बोलते हैं, ये क्या कर रही है, तुमसे नहीं होगा, तुम नहीं कर पाओगे. That is also a resistance. It creates step by step. Step by step. You step forward to your goal. Next step comes, which we called victimhood. नहीं हो पाएगा. लाइफ है ही नहीं, सबके साथ फेयर नहीं है लाइफ, तो ये कैसे होगा. लाइक ओवरवेल्म. अब प्रोजेक्ट है, बहुत बड़ा है, कहां से शुरू करूं, समझ ही नहीं आ रहा. दीज ऑल और रेजिस्टेंस. आई नो 15 टाइप्स ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस.
Okay, can you share that with us?
Yeah,
What
why not?
all causes this? Yeah.
The first is, I frame it in four steps basically. The first is invisible force, which is resistance. It has force, I think, four steps. I said, in first step there is an emotional mask, which is fear, doubt, guilt and shame. fear, डर लगता है, ये करूं, पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है. डाउट, लोग क्या कहेंगे. गिल्ट, के अंदर कुछ है कि यार मेरे से नहीं हो पाया तो. विक्टिमहुड, लाइफ इज नॉट परफेक्ट यार, हो जाता है ऐसे. द प्रोडक्टिव ट्रैप्स, एक्सक्यूजेस, ओवरवेल्म, प्रोकास्टिनेशन, परफेक्शनिज्म. एक्सक्यूजेस हैं, कल करते हैं, आज नहीं होगा. दैट इज आल्सो रेजिस्टेंस. ओवरवेल्म, मैंने अभी बताया आपको. प्रोकास्टिनेशन, बहाने ढूंढते हैं, यार मेरा गेम का लेवल होने वाला है, इसके बाद ये प्रोजेक्ट शुरू करो. दिस परफेक्शनिज्म, कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं, मैं ये प्रोजेक्ट तब शुरू करूंगी जब मेरे पास सब सामान होगा, सब कुछ होगा परफेक्टली, तब ये काम शुरू होगा. तो एंड द अदर इज सेल्फ सैबोटेज, खुद को क्रिटिसाइज करना. मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ, लोग क्या कहेंगे, अरे मेरी तो लैंग्वेज अच्छी नहीं है, मेरे साथ तो ये प्रॉब्लम है। इस चक्कर में कुछ लोग आइसोलेट हो जाते हैं। दैट इज ऑल्सो रेजिस्टेंस। लोगों को फेस नहीं करना है, अकेले रहना है, जिस वजह से और ज्यादा दूर हो जाते हैं अपने गोल से। रैशनल सपोर्ट्स, they don't sound logical, but it is an excuse। किसी और की हेल्प नहीं लेना, भाई नहीं मैं खुद करूंगी, लेकिन खुद से हो नहीं पा रहा, वो क्या है? वो भी रेजिस्टेंस है, सेल्फ मेडिकेशन। जब इस तरह की घबराहट होती है, यार नया काम शुरू करना है, होगा कैसे? क्या करते हैं हम लोग? कॉफी पी रहे हैं, डार्क चॉकलेट्स खा रहे हैं। व्हाट इज दैट? सेल्फ मेडिकेशन। इट्स अ रेजिस्टेंस, द subtle disguise which is spirituality। अब मैंने तो भगवान से मांग लिए, मुझे अब भगवान देंगे। भाई तुम्हें भी तो स्टेप उठाना होगा, यू हैव टू डू। एक जोक याद आ रहा है मैं मुझे इस पे, कि एक इंसान था, वो जा रहा था भगवान जी के पास कि भगवान जी 30 दिन में मेरी लॉटरी निकाल दो। फर्स्ट डे गया, सेकंड डे गया, एंड 29th डे ही वाज प्रेइंग कि भगवान जी मेरी लॉटरी तो निकाल दो। एंड भगवान जी ने उसको मारा थप्पड़। क्यों? भाई लॉटरी डाल तो सही, अब आप लॉटरी खरीदोगे नहीं तो निकलेगी कैसे? द सेम विद दिस स्पिरिचुअलिटी। अगर आप कुछ मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हो और उस पे काम नहीं कर रहे हो, हाउ इट कंप्लीट्स? ये तो कंप्लीट होगा ही नहीं। ब्यूटी एंड लैंग्वेज, वन अदर रेजिस्टेंस, पार्ट ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस। ब्यूटी, कुछ लोग सोचते हैं मेरा वजन 4-5 किलो कम हो जाए फिर मैं ये काम करूंगी। लैंग्वेज, many people have the problem of language। मेरी इंग्लिश फ्लुएंट नहीं है, मुझे हिंदी प्रॉपर नहीं आती है, मैं नहीं करूंगी। बैलेंस, मेरी फैमिली और मेरा बिजनेस साथ कैसे देखूंगी? इनको बैलेंस करने के लिए पहले मुझे फैमिली को ठीक करना है, मुझे अपने बच्चों को बड़ा करना है, मुझे अपने बड़ों को देखना है, मेरे पति का बिजनेस सेट हो जाए फिर। these all are resistance, and we have to take it step by step, clear, then we reach our goal।
So that's amazing, and this is how we all are, pushing our joy away.
Yeah,
Dimple ji, I had a doubt in this. You had mentioned self-medication,
yeah,
where people, try to resolve themselves. Kuch tips le liye, home remedies. But isn't it resourcefulness? They're trying to work out on whatever they are lagging. How is it a resistance
it is
when
a
people are working on themselves?
it is a resistance कि you have to have a vision board। First of all, you
Hmm.
have a vision board, what is
Hmm.
priority, what you want to do, and how you want to manage it all। Then one by one, step by step, all resistance are gone। Everyone have these 15 resistance in different ways, in different perspectives, but all are in there when you set a goal। When you clearly set a goal, clear a vision, then all are there, and you have to acknowledge now which resistance come and take charge on my life, and how to stop it। Usually we have to give name in, or tell them fear auntie, doubt auntie, and stop them। Just stop, I have to do this। That's the time of courage।
Yeah, yeah, such a good thing that giving them a name and asking them to, stop
Yeah.
it. Dimple, I would be very interested to know in what ways, if you can give some examples, how have you applied or, worked on with these resistances? Might be one or two instances on how have you overcome any challenges in your life, like family. You have done so many things in your life now. So
I'm
can you
telling
just
you,
help our audience with some examples?
yeah, my very strong resistance is speaking in English। I'm in
Wow.
English, but in front of some strange people or something like this, I'm not able to speak English with my some strong words, but I'm also overcoming it. When you are stopped somewhere, you have to go
Yeah.
deep, and I'm also
Yes.
doing it. Okay, if I
Yeah.
know the words, what happens when it is not properly delivered to the people because of
Yeah.
resistance? कि लोग
Yes.
मुझे जज तो नहीं करेंगे, ये क्या बोल रही है, ये ऐसे क्यों बोल रही है, इसे इंग्लिश नहीं आती.
Yes.
So these are the lines who comes in your mind and who stops you to speak, to come in front of the public,
Yes.
to do the work. You have
Yeah.
to see inside you. What are the resistance, first of all, stop you to take a first step towards your goal. And this is how I stop my resistance. I will try. I will try in English. And when my fear goes away,
You're already having an amazing, yeah, you're already talking amazing English.
I told
Yeah, so
I'm
there's
MA
no doubt.
English. I told you I'm MA English. I'm able to speak English, but there is this resistance. Who stops me?
Yeah, always we have to improve.
Push me
Yeah.
back. कि नहीं, ये कैसे होगा तेरे से? तो this is the way when you are take charge of your life and took courage to step forward. नहीं, I will do this, and I'm able to do this. I can do. I choose to do this. This is the way you push yourself towards your goal.
Wow, wow, so inspiring, Dimple ji.
Thank you.
For nowadays, there's a lot of problems in relationships,
Yeah.
isn't it? So any very important resistance that the people are stuck with, because of which they are not able to progress or nurture the relationship.
In relationship, 80%. 80% is a imagination. I give you a simple example. आप किसी के पास से निकले and उनको लेंस लगे हुए हैं. You don't know. ठीक है? और उस दिन वो घर से निकले और उनको लेंस लगाना वो भूल गए. And दूर से आपको नहीं पहचाना. And the thought comes in your mind is, आज इन्होंने मुझे देख के स्माइल नहीं किया. Maybe she had something negative about me. Maybe उनको मुझसे बात नहीं करनी है. Maybe इनका आज मूड खराब है. पता नहीं इनको मेरी कौन सी बात बुरी लगे. अरे भाई एक बार चेक करो. जस्ट उन्होंने नहीं बात की, हम जाके बात नहीं करते. तुम चले जाओ, हाय बोलो, एंड यू अंडरस्टैंड कि उन्होंने लेंस नहीं लगाए. दैट्स व्हाई शी कांट सी यू. शी कांट से हाय टू यू. These are the major problems. There is only one thing. I tell you one thing. It's like a Google. When we write palak paneer in Google, what exactly happened? Here comes palak paneer in these restaurants. These are recipes of these chefs. ठीक है? Then वो पालक के आपको सारे फायदे बताएंगे, पनीर के फायदे बताएंगे. गूगल के एक सर्च पे बहुत लंबी लिस्ट आती है. Exactly in our mind, what happens कि एक आपने स्टेटमेंट दिया, ये आज मुझे स्माइल क्यों नहीं देखे गए, and the list of negative thoughts come in your mind.
Doubts. Yes.
There are doubts. And what is doubt? Resistance. It make you step back, and relation is go worst and worst. Just think, when one statement come in your mind कि ये क्यों होगा या किसी ने जोर से क्यों बोला, just stop, think, then respond, not react. If you react, you always in a hurry. The reaction is in hurry. Just think कि हुआ, why. When you think about why, after that you respond it. You never react it. Because all खिचड़ी तो आपके दिमाग में पक ही जाएगी. And if you are able कि उस खिचड़ी को पॉजिटिव पकाना है या नेगेटिव, it's up to you.
So true. So true. Yes, well said, Dimple. So, Dimple, where is this resistance coming from? Or who teaches us this resistance?
Basically, these
Are we born with it?
sorry,
Are we born with it? Where does it come from?
it is all inside us. It is all inside us. Even when one time you cover your resistance, second time it comes again. When you second goal set, even a relationship, when you try to clear a relation, you stop your resistance, you step forward to maintain the relation. What happens? One time it is clear, one time it is done. Next time again it knocks. Again it knocks. You have to maintain it with your practice. And you are able to think, is this resistance or is this me? ये मेरी सोच है या ये रेजिस्टेंस बोल रही है टू स्टॉप मी? इस चीज को देखने के लिए आपको बहुत प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत है. यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस अबाउट इट.
Yes. It's a lot of awareness. The more we become aware, we are able to deal with it easily, isn't it? And every time, so just to summarize, Dimple, every time we are wanting to set a goal and progress forward, our mind throws a lot of resistance. And that is how Dimple had categorized it to almost 15 types of resistance. Right? And why does it happen when you're setting a goal? Because somewhere you are programming, you feel you're not worth enough, you don't deserve it enough, and you have taken life for like this is how life is. And like Dimple rightly mentioned, like when you Google one word and everything brain brings in, the moment you have sent a statement to your brain that this is how life is, this is how money is, this is how people are, then the reality shows in all forms exactly according to your search. And that is what again we call the resistance. And we use all these to excuse ourselves. We allow ourselves to believe it, and then that becomes a reality again. So every time a resistance is showing up when you're moving towards a goal, definitely it will show up because you're going to try to change an old reality. You're going to become a new self, right? So automatically you will have to cancel it, arrest it every time with a lot of awareness. And awareness comes with practice, right? So when you practice more of awareness and being mindful or knowing how your brain is responding, again beautifully taking from Dimple's conversation, said, fear auntie, please keep quiet. Doubt auntie, please keep quiet. Let me do my work. I want to do it. And this self-talk and dialogue would help you to keep a check on it. And that is how you will be able to progress. We need to understand that all of us, isn't it, Dimple? All of us carry this kind of resistance in every stage of life. No matter how healed you are, how grown you are, you take any successful person, if you go and talk to them, they will have some resistance, like Dimple mentioned. And it all depends about how aware you are and how are you ready to overcome it. Next important point, what she had mentioned about taking help from people. Be open to seek help rather than trying to cooking it up in your own brain, right? You should be open to working on it. Only then you can move forward, because a lot of things we cannot see from your own perception. So you can see from a new perception when you work with a mentor, coach, or a guide, whomsoever it is for you. All right. And mostly unbiased relationship where they have no connection or bias towards you. That works beautifully. You want to add anything, Dimple, about resistance here? How can people overcome it?
Actually, you said na, when goal set, then only resistance comes. Exactly. When your vision is clear, you have to go this way. Then the what we said is all the hurdles are coming.
Yes.
When you're in a go with the flow, hurdles at least बहुत कम हो जाती हैं हर्डल्स. लेकिन जो इनर हर्डल्स हैं, अंदर की रेजिस्टेंस है, तब वो ब्रेक्स देती है,
वो रहती है.
वो रहती हैं.
Yes.
उनको हटाने के लिए तो आपको प्रैक्टिस में आना पड़ता है. यू हैव अ कोच कि भाई वो इस स्टेप पे क्या करना है, अब इसको ऐसे कर. अभी रिसेंटली मेरे एक क्लाइंट है, उनसे मेरी लास्ट वीक बात हुई थी, आज बाय चांस बात हुई थी. शी सेड कि हाँ मुझे याद रहता है, पर बीच बीच में फिर से वो सब होता है. लाइक लाइक आई सेड हर के भाई कुछ रेजिस्टेंस ऐसे काम करे तो आपको ये करना है, उनका हाँ, दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट कि व्हेन यू आर इन सर्टन स्टाइल ऑफ योर लाइफ, you are changing it, you need a coach, you need someone who guides you step by step. Okay, do this and then do this, okay, now do this, because we have to check all resistance are stable, they don't come
Yes,
charge our life basically.
rightly said, rightly said. So such a beautiful discussion, Dimple. I hope all of you have got benefit, and now you're going to become more aware of this word resistance with so much of depth. Dimple has given us so much of clarity. If you have any queries about resistance, please drop in the no chat, and we shall be very happy to answer you less than 24 hours. And share to us what other topics you would want to us to bring experts and add value to your life. Until then, your money manifestation and business mentor and your psychotherapist, Hema, signing off from Abundance. Stay tuned for the next podcast.